Once again, welcome to Genius Academy of Physics and Mathematics. This is Venkat Sundaram Natarajan, and in this episode, we are going to solve problem number 789 in module 2-1, that is position, displacement, and average velocity, fundamentals of physics book problem. So, problem number 7, two trains each having a speed of 30 km per hour are headed at each other on the same straight track. A bird that can fly 60 km per hour flees off the front of one train when they are 60 km apart and heads directly for the other train. On reaching the other train, the crazy bird flies directly back to the first train and so forth. So it is going to fly front and back again and again. What is the total distance the bird can travel before the trains collide? So we have to find out how much distance the bird will be flying. So for that we have to calculate how long the trains take to hit each other. So they have given that the train of each the speed of each train is 30 km per hour. So as they are facing each other, the average speed or the total speed of the train should be added together, so that I will be having 60 km per hour, and at the mid they are going to hit each other in the center, so that the distance travelled by the train during their journey will be 30 kilometers. So now what will be the time taken for the trains to travel that 30 km is 30 divided by 30, because 30 km by 30 km per hour, because each train is going to travel 30 kilometers, right? So it is going to be 1 hour. The trains are going to travel for 1 hour before they collide each other. Now let us come to the bird. So the speed of the bird is 60 km per hour. The speed of the bird is 60 km per hour, and the bird is traveling for 1 hour, because the speed or the time taken by the bird is also the same timing before they collide each other, so that the distance travelled by the bird will be equal to speed into time, that is 60 into 1 is equal to 60 kilometers. This is the problem solved. So number of times the bird will be flying to and forth will be infinite number of times. As the distance comes closer and closer, the bird can fly as many times as it can. Okay. So now coming to problem number 8, a panic escape problem. Figure number 2.24, I have shown it in the below, shows a general situation in which the stream of people attempting to escape through an exit door that turns out to be locked. The people move towards the door at a speed of 3.50 meters per second, and they are each with the depth or the diameter of 0.25 in depth, and then they separated the distance between each people, okay, that is 1.75 meter. The arrangement in the figure you can see that, okay. So at what average rate does the people or the layer of people in the door increasing? Okay, for every 1 minute how much people are increasing, that is a problem. Okay, so at what time does the layer depth reaches 5 meters? Okay, that is the problem. So depth is equal to 0.25 meter and length is equal to 1.75 meter, and their velocity is equal to 3.5 meters per second. So according to rate is nothing but for every 1 minute or every unit time, that is t2 minus t1, okay, how much depth is getting increased. So t2 minus t1, how can you calculate? Velocity is equal to length, the distance covered by t2 minus t1. So in the same way you can rearrange it and write it as del t is equal to v by L by v. So substitute that in the above equation and you will get it as d into v by L. so that you will be having D is what, 0.25 into L is V is 3.5 and L is 1.75, so that the final answer that you will get is 0.5 meters per second. This is the rate. So this is problem A. And in problem B, they have given that what is the time taken for it to, with this rate, that is rate is equal to 0.5. So every 1 second this is getting increased. So at what rate does the depth increases? So D is equal to T into R. D they gave it as 5. Okay. T is, we have to calculate it, and R is equal to 0.5. So T is equal to 5 divided by 0.5 is equal to 10 seconds. So within 10 seconds the rate will increase, or the depth will increase to 5. So coming to last problem, problem number 9. In 1 kilometer race, the runner on the track 1 appears to be faster than the runner 2 on the track 2. However, the length of the track T2 of L2 of track 2 might be slightly greater than the length L1 of the track. How large can L2 minus L1 be for us still to conclude that the runner 1 is faster? Okay, so first we have to find how long is L2. Okay, so L2 we have to first find out L2, and then we have to divide the speed they have given. Okay, so first let us see. So T1 is 2 minutes 27.95 seconds, that is totally 147.95 seconds. Okay, that is T1. What is T2? T2 is 2 minutes 28.15 seconds, that is 148.15 seconds. So the distance traveled they are given as 1000 meters, but it is not true because there is a slight change between L2 and L1, right? So let us assume, okay, assume that the speed is equal to, okay, distance by time. Average speed is equal to same. We shall equate them. Okay. So L1 by T1 is equal to L2 by T2. Now calculate L2 here. So L2 is equal to L1 T2 by T1. Okay. So how to calculate L2 minus L1? So L1 T2 by T1 minus L1, right? So transport L1 to outside or take out L1. Okay. You will be having L1. Okay. So T2 by T1, that is 148.15 divided by 147.95 minus 1 into L1. Okay. So that is L2 minus L1. So 1.00135 minus 1 into L, that is 1000. Okay. So it is going to be L2 minus L1 is equal to 1.35 meters. So it is a very small value compared to 1 kilometer. So compared to 1000 meters, 1.35 is nothing. Okay, so that speed, that distance is not going to make much difference in the velocity. Okay, so we can conclude that the person 1 is faster than person 2. So problem, as said already, the remaining 3 problems, that is problem number 10, 11 and 12 is going to be a homework, and in next class we shall solve the remaining problems. So if you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. The link to join the WhatsApp group is available in the description box, and also the website link is also available in the description box. Even the Insta ID is also available there. So if you don't like the video, please press the thumbs down button. I hope you understood the problems very clearly.